The turtle dove is singing the sweet song of morning, and the leaves of the trees turn their silver cups to the sky. Well, the silent clouds above are beginning to gather. The barren land is thirsty, and so am I. It's beginning to rain. Hear the voice of our Father. He's saying that whosoever will come drink of this water, I promise to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. Well, a young man's eyes start to shine as he tells his vision, and the old understand what he sees, for they dreamed their dreams. With the thrill of being alive, they reach for each other, and they dance in the rain for the joy of the things they see. It's beginning to rain. Hear the voice of my Father. He's saying that whosoever will come drink of this water, I promise to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. At the first drop of rain that you feel, throw open your windows. Then call all the children together and throw wide the door. When the rains of the Spirit are falling, fill every vessel. For he who drinks his fill will thirst no more. It's beginning to rain. Hear the voice of my Father. He's saying that whosoever will come drink of this water, I promise to pour my Spirit out on your sons and your daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. If you're thirsty and dry, look up to the sky. It's beginning to